Now we are going to derive the formula to find the sum of n even and odd natural numbers. So even numbers separate formula and odd numbers separate formula. Now we go to the next slide. So the derivation of the formula to find the sum of n even natural numbers. Sn is given. S means it is a sum of n natural numbers. That is, we are taking even numbers. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on, it goes up to 2n. 2n is the nth term of the series. So a term before that will be 2n minus 2. Before that, you'll have 2n minus 4. So this is the series of set of even natural numbers. We rearrange these numbers in the reverse order. That means I write 2n first, follow it with 2n minus 2, 2n minus 4, 2n minus 6 and so on. And the lastly we write with 6, 4, 2, 6, 4, 2. Let's add these two. When we're adding these two, Sn plus Sn is 2Sn, 2n plus 2 plus 2n minus 2 plus 4 plus 2n minus 4 plus 6, so on it goes here. 6 plus 2n minus 4 plus 4 plus 2n minus 2 plus 2n plus 2. Here it is 2n plus 2, right as it is. Here 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2n plus 2. Here 6 minus 4 is again 2, so it is again 2n plus 2. Here again 6 minus 4 is 2, therefore it is 2n plus 2. Here again 4 minus 2 is 2, so it is 2n plus 2, and the last term is 2n plus 2. So if you see here, all brackets are 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2. It has occurred n times. So that means this total is n times 2n plus 2. And the right side, left side, you have got 2Sn. Bring this 2 down, it will become, and take out 2 common from these two. So when you take out 2 common, so 2n bracket n plus 1 upon 2. 2 cancels. So your Sn is n into n plus 1. That is sum of n even natural numbers is given by the formula n into n plus 1. Now let us see the odd natural numbers. Sum of odd natural numbers, they are 1, 3, 5. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on. And odd natural number nth term is given as 2n minus 1. So before that you will have 2n minus 3. Before that you can become 2n minus 5. We rearrange them in the reverse order. So 2n minus 1 will become your first term, second followed by 2n minus 3, then 2n minus 5, so on, and 5, 3, 1. Adding these two, Sn plus Sn is 2Sn is equal to 2n minus 1 plus 1. Then 2n minus 3 plus 3. 2n minus 5 plus 5. So on it goes. 5 plus 2n minus 5. 3 plus 2n minus 3. 1 plus 2n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 cancels is only 2n. The first term here is only 2n. Here 3 minus 3 goes, cancels, and second term is also 2n. 5 minus 5 cancels and it's again 2n. Here also 5 minus 5 is 0, therefore this is also 2n. Here again 2n plus 2n. So here 2n plus 2n plus 2n, it has occurred n times. So it is n times 2n. So 2Sn is equal to n times 2n. So this n into n will be n square. So it becomes 2n square. Bring that 2 down, it becomes 2n square divided by 2. 2 cancels. Sn is equal to n square. Sn is equal to n square. That is, the sum of all odd natural numbers is n square. We have understood this derivation of this formula. Click on the like button and subscribe button for more such videos.